Buying mortgage, real estate, or insurance leads, I guarantee you're losing money, and here's why. Most agents are going out and they're using cold lead generation, and there's a completely better way that most businesses aren't even touching. You're using bad follow-up systems that aren't automated so that you're not actually converting the leads that want to be converted, and you're not using testimonials in your marketing to convert your leads or use testimonials to generate new leads that are hot. Everybody's stuck in this cycle of low quality leads with bad follow-up, and there's an easy way to fix that.
Now, my ad spend, are you ready?
I'm ready.
$225.
Okay.
And it was late summer through year end.
Okay.
And my income was 6 digits.
Come on.
I made over $100,000 in the last 6 months of the year, spending $225 on a Facebook ad.
Why? Proper targeting. Getting hot leads rather than targeting cold leads or buying them from Zillow or Boomtown or Commissions Inc. Now, follow-up. Once you fix your targeting, you've got to automate your follow-up. Check out Mike. Mike's one of our clients. We took leads that were over 60 days old, like the coldest, most garbage leads that you can possibly think of. He took 1,212 of those leads, put them into our automated follow-up system. So he didn't actually have to cold call or chase leads or do anything. Literally clicked a button and put 390 inbound inquiries. Crazy. Now, my name is Chris Johnstone. I own a company called Connection Incorporated, and we run millions of dollars in advertising online for companies that are in the financial services space, in the real estate space, and in the insurance space. This is our ad spend last month. You can see we invested $193,318.75. As a result of that advertising, we generated 13,675 leads, and our average cost per lead was $14.93. This is our own money that we're investing inside our own advertising accounts to generate leads that we then give to our clients as appointments. We know how this stuff works, and we do it at scale. We can help you. Now, one of the reasons why our clients get incredible results from the advertisements that we run for them is we use their testimonials in their marketing. Think about it. It makes sense. If you're online and you're searching for a mortgage professional or a real estate professional or an insurance professional, you're skeptical because you're on the internet, right? So when that person becomes a lead, you need to show them testimonials through the lead generation process and then follow up with testimonials of other happy people from their local marketplace that have already done business with you that have had a phenomenal response. Now, that will convert more of your leads just by doing that. We've seen some clients double the lead conversion from leads to closed customers just by adding testimonials into their follow-up. But check this out. When you use that style of marketing on a new lead, that customer is more likely to leave you a 5-star rating and review on your Google My Business page, which then puts you in front of people on Google searching for your type of business so that you get even more leads of higher quality leads. Those are the highest quality leads that you can generate online. It's a completely different phone call inbound from somebody who wants to talk to you. Compare that to a Facebook or Instagram funnel where you're like hammering these people and they're cold. There's so much money being wasted in our industries right now on advertising that shouldn't be run because there's a better way. Check out our other client, Mike. In the first 6 months of this year, we've closed 34 new deals as a result of the marketing systems that Connection Incorporated set up for us, and we haven't even launched our database marketing system. That's from cold leads on the internet. He gets almost a call a day. Here's James. He's the 14th largest mortgage broker in Canada. Connection Incorporated's online marketing and review generation strategies create about 20% of our overall revenue. This is not a joke. It's completely unlike everything that you've seen out there, but it just makes sense. When you look at what you're doing, you need to be advertising to the hottest leads that are available online. Do you know who those people are? It's your past customer database and the people that have already been on your website. If you're paying an agency to run your advertising for you right now, or you're buying leads from Zillow, or you're buying leads from Commissions Inc. or Boomtown, or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. I want you to ask the simple question. Are those advertisements being shown to the people who already know you, like you, trust you, who can refer you customers and come back and do business with you? No. That means you're leaving the lowest hanging fruit, the cheapest to acquire customers online. You should stop all of that advertising immediately and focus on the low hanging fruit because it costs you less money, it wastes less of your time, and it produces a better quality customer for you in your business that is going to refer, that is going to leave you a 5-star testimonial. Now, is your follow-up automatic? When you generate a lead, does it automatically come in? Does it automatically get followed up on with ringless voicemails, text messages, emails, and do those leads automatically book into your calendar or call you directly to submit an application or to request an appointment with you? If not, your follow-up is broken and you are just hemorrhaging money in your follow-up systems. Again, we took leads over 60 days old from Zillow and got over a 30% response rate by automating quality follow-up with testimonials embedded in the follow-up. And then, are you getting 5-star testimonials from every customer that comes into your business automatically? Do you have a system where you can click a button and have the follow-up go out so that your happy past customers leave you 5-star ratings and reviews online? If you don't have that, again, you need to take a serious look at how you're investing the money in your business because you can be generating much more profit off the investment that you're already making. Now, I would like to get on the phone with you and map you out a plan for how to do this in your business. You can click the link below this ad, or you can go to businessmarketingclass.com. Opt in. What we will do is either myself or one of the members of our team are going to get on the phone with you and create you a custom one-on-one blueprint for your marketing in your business. Now, there's 8 specific things that we may speak to you about. We're going to ask you some very specific questions when you get on the beginning of the call. That's going to identify the lowest hanging fruit in your particular business because every business is different, right? So we're going to get to know your business and know which one of these profit activators are going to be the most effective. So you have to do the least amount of effort to get the maximum amount of results. Now, once we determine which of these 8 strategies is the best one for you, we will take you on and show you a successful campaign that we're already running for another client, show you exactly how it works. Nothing left behind the curtain. If it's an ad campaign, you're going to see the targeting, the ads that we run, the landing pages that we run, and the follow-up sequence that we have on the back end to convert those leads into deals. If it's a database marketing campaign, we will show you the steps to marketing to the database and what messages get sent inside those messages. These are free consultations, and you can get on there for 45 minutes. Now, obviously, the reason why we're doing these consultations is to find new clients where we will, for a one-time fee, set up everything that you need in your business. Now, the reason why we're not like another marketing agency that charges you a monthly fee is we want you to be able to spend as much time and money on the advertising systems that we create for you because that's going to create you the maximum amount of results. If I'm charging you $2,000 or $2,500 or $3,000 a month in order to manage that for you, that's money that's coming out of your advertising budget. So what we're doing is we're saying, hey, give us a one-time fee. We'll set the whole thing up for you. Your database marketing campaign, your referral marketing campaigns, your online marketing campaigns, your rating and review campaigns. We'll set the whole thing up for you and turn them on, launched in your business for a one-time fee. And we have to speak to you on the phone in order to know whether that's a good fit for your business or not. So book a free 45-minute consultation. We will map the plan out for you so that you can go and implement it on your own if you choose to do so. If you look at it and you say, okay, I can clearly see how that will make me far more money than what I'm going to invest in the program. I want you to do it for me. Great, we can talk about that. But there's no high pressure sales pitch. It's literally us mapping out a plan so that you're thrilled with the free consultation that you've had so that you'll say nice things about us online, right? And then if you want us to do it for you, we have a phenomenal process that gets results like Iyad. Iyad came to us. He had a bunch of old leads that he had already invested money in. He'd already paid for the leads and he'd already stopped following up on them. We took those leads. There was 1,879 of them. We received 375 responses from the automated follow-up system that we sent out. He submitted 5 deals to underwriting in less than 4 days of turning the new campaign on. His pipeline currently has 12 additional deals that he may submit to underwriting from just that one campaign that we built and launched for him inside the program. Here's another one of our clients, Dan. I was introduced to Chris Johnstone from Connection Incorporated. That's this guy. We started the database activator, which I sent out to 49 29 of my past clients, I received 17 responses and funded 7 deals in less than 60 days. Are you banging your head against the table trying to figure out how to make paid ads work on Facebook and Instagram and leaving the low-hanging fruit just sitting there completely untended in your business? We are a low-hanging fruit getting machine for you. We already know how to do it. We already have the system to do it. We can come into your business, build it for you, and launch it for you. So all you have to do is take the phone calls and get the customers. It's very simple. We don't know why more people aren't doing it, which is why we're happy to do it. And again, here's a couple of our other testimonials from happy people that are getting results from these marketing systems that I cannot wait to show you on the free 45-minute call. So underneath this link or video, you'll see a button. Click it. It's going to take you to an ugly looking landing page. Go in, fill in your information. On the thank you page, there's a calendar where you can obviously get the business marketing class that I'm going to show you, but you can also book a one-on-one consultation right there on that page. That's what you want to do so that you can get on the phone with us so we can map this plan out for you. Again, my name's Chris Johnstone. I'm really looking forward to you taking business marketing class, taking us up on the 45-minute consultation, and potentially helping you launch these systems in your business. I hope you're having a great day and enjoy whatever it is that you are watching on YouTube.